Start using AI today. The whole point of this guide is that you don't need to study anything first. No prompt engineering, no secret words. We're going to run one real prompt together, turn it into a small habit, and then pick the one tool that fits how you already work. That's it. One page, and you're going. 3 things by the end. By the time we're done, you'll walk away with 3 things. First, how to actually talk to AI, in plain English, the way you'd ask a coworker. Second, how to make it stick, so this isn't a one-time experiment you forget by Friday. And third, which tool to open first, matched to what you're trying to get done. That's the map for the next few minutes. Talk to it like a person. Here's the part people overthink. Type the way you'd talk to a friend you're figuring something out with. Normal sentences, plain words. If you can explain it to a person, you can explain it to AI. There are no magic phrases, just natural speaking and typing are the fastest way in. Which tool, and when you don't need all of these, and you don't need to agonize over the choice. Copilot lives inside Microsoft 365, so it's great if your day is Word, Excel, Teams, and Outlook. Gemini leans into Google and visuals, Workspace, Gmail, images, video. ChatGPT is the flexible all-rounder for writing and brainstorming. Claude is your pick for long documents, careful analysis, and code. And Grok is built for real-time, what's happening right now info. Pick the one closest to where you already work and start there. Prompting that works. When you want a stronger result, 4 pieces help, and only the middle 2 are must-haves. Role is who you want AI to answer as, like a patient teacher. Nice to have, totally optional. Context is who you are and what's going on. Task is what you actually want done. And format is how you want the response to look. Length, tone, bullets, or paragraphs. Context and task carry most of the weight. Add role and format when you want those aspects. Try this. Let's make it concrete. Notice the bakery example. It names who you are, sets the tone, gives a word count, and says what to avoid. That's the recipe in one sentence. Steal these starters. Ask it to teach you with one analogy and one example. Hand it a draft and ask what's weak, or ask for 10 quick ideas as a list. Copy one, change the details to fit you, and send it. Your first 10 minutes, here's your actual first session. Open a tool and sign in. The free tier is plenty, and ChatGPT or Gemini are easy first chats. Then tell it who you are and what you want in a sentence or 2. That beats hunting for the perfect keyword every time. And the big one? React. Don't restart. When the answer isn't quite right, steer it. Shorter, more casual, redo that part. Give me 3 versions. You're having a conversation, not filling out a form. Make it stick. This is how it becomes a habit instead of a novelty. Set your preferences once, your role, your tone, a couple of things to avoid, and it loads into every new chat automatically. Turn on memory, so context carries between conversations, and know you can review or edit anything it keeps. Then, build one small workflow. Take a task you do every week and automate the boring part. One habit you keep beats 10 experiments you drop. Verify before you trust. One rule matters more than any trick on these slides. AI sounds completely confident even when it's wrong. So for anything that counts, numbers, facts, decisions, check it yourself. Use it to draft and to think, never as the final word. And the companion rule, don't paste in sensitive or private data. Treat it like a sharp assistant whose work you always review. Let's go. That's the whole thing. Keep this page on the website open and use it like a cheat sheet. Come back anytime you get stuck. If you want to go deeper, the full walkthrough is on the YouTube playlist, and I post short daily tips on TikTok. Now go open a tool and run your first prompt. You've got everything you need.